Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you hot air gun. This hot air gun I ordered from Makerbazar. It is only 350 rupees only. It is very cheap cost. First of all, I will show you this description, what is inside the box, how it works. I will show everything. Okay. First of all, it works on 230 volts to 50 Hz, and homemade power is enough for, and only it gives 300 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius heat. So with 350 rupees, but how it works, it's worthable or not, this price I will show you everything. Okay, this is the hot air gun. Okay, you can read also what is the hot air gun. 1500 to 1800 volts and 400 to 500 degrees Celsius it gives. Okay, I will show you how it works. I just put on the plug in my extension board. Okay, just just you switch on the hot air gun switch. That's it. It's working fine. Very nice. First of all, we see the build quality of the gun. Very nice, guys. In this price, 350. Very nice. Very nice. Wire also okay. In this build quality. Okay. How much heat is generated, I will show you. Just on light. It gives so much heat, guys, in seconds. Okay, it's melted or not, I will show you. Finally, we made plastic sheet, PVC pipe into plain sheet. Okay, it's very funny kind of things. You will try. Please comment and subscribe for more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.